All right, guys, we got another transmission bell housing shop. Came into the shop today, and we're gonna give you a close-up look at it. I'm gonna do some cleaning and buffing, and this one's gonna take a pretty good while. But I'm gonna have to weld. All this up. So just stick with me. I'm gonna give y'all a look at it right now. All right, that's what we got. We got a big old hole right there that we're gonna try to do our best to fill up. So, and we got a few cracks. There's a little crack right here, little crack right here coming out the corner. Just a couple little cracks. Nothing big. But we're gonna get it filled up. So y'all hang out. I'm drilling these holes to make sure that these cracks stop. I don't need these cracks going any farther once I get done with all this welding. All right. I'm gonna get a little acetone on it. Clean it up with some acetone. Once I get that done, then I can get started on my welding. All right, we got the outside all dolled up. So now we're gonna work on the inside, clean it up a little bit. All right, guys, this is what the inside looks like. Got a couple holes I gotta fill in, a couple cracks I gotta take care of, and then we're gonna tidy this up a little bit, and we'll be done. All right, there's the inside. All right, guys. Thank y'all for sticking with me today. It's kind of a short video, but that's all right. We got this job done. We got this case, this bell housing all welded up. I can't recommend this little Everlast 210 EXT enough. I mean, it's a great little machine. Does everything I need it to do perfectly. Highly recommend the Everlast machines. But anyway, yeah, so it done a good job today. And hey, I appreciate y'all watching, and stick around for the next one. Thank you.